How the Soviet Union fell only way. Most people get this wrong by blaming a single factor like economic stagnation or political leaders. The surprising truth is that the fall of the Soviet Union in 1991 was a mix of economic, political, and social pressures building over decades. Economically, the Soviet system struggled with inefficiency. Central planning led to shortages, low productivity, and technological lag behind the West. By the December 21, 2025, GDP growth slowed dramatically, and citizens faced long lines for basic goods. You won't believe how these shortages fueled public frustration. Politically, leadership changes weakened the system. Mikhail Gorbachev introduced reforms like perestroika and glasnost to modernize the economy and allow more openness. While well-intentioned, these reforms expose corruption, encourage dissent, and reduce central control. Socially, nationalist movements in republics like Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia gained momentum. Citizens demanded independence, and protests spread across the USSR. Coupled with declining morale and a loss of faith in the Communist Party, the cracks became too big to repair. Finally, failed coups and rapid political shifts in 1991 accelerated the collapse. By December, the Soviet Union officially dissolved, creating 15 independent countries and ending a superpower that had dominated global politics for decades. In conclusion, the Soviet Union fell due to a combination of economic stagnation, political reforms gone awry, rising nationalism, and loss of public trust. Understanding all these factors together paints a full picture of its dramatic end.